feel the deep technological mastery, material expertise, and decades of vacuum application knowledge in every strand of our cables. Our cables are not only manufactured with a jacket of EPTFE, but we can engineer the material according to your specific needs. The only limit is your imagination. Since co-engineering is our drive and passion, we continuously develop and push cutting-edge solutions, together, with you, for you. With 20 years of experience in lithography and 50 years in space applications, we fully understand that in the most demanding environments, every detail and every particle counts. There is no margin for error. With Gore as a full-service cable provider, we control the entire process so that you can count on long-term flexibility and excellent durability. Our rigorous cleaning process accomplishes absolute purity. So you don't have to worry about cable-related system failures causing unexpected costs. It's all been taken care of.